Welcome to 6238 Portland Street, a beautiful half-duplex home located in the private neighborhood of South Slope in Burnaby. This 4-bedroom and 4-bathroom home has an expansive open-concept main floor. The living room showcases a stylish gas fireplace, and there's a large formal dining room, perfect for your large family gatherings. The sunken living room has 10-foot ceilings with a built-in entertainment center, and the eating area is bright and airy with 20-foot vaulted ceilings and overlooks the serene and secluded backyard. The stunning kitchen is fully equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, including a Wolf gas cooktop, a 36-inch Pro-style hood fan, a Sub-Zero wine fridge, and an upgraded Kitchenaide wall oven and fridge. The south-facing backyard is a gardener's dream. It's gorgeously landscaped, and there's still plenty of room for you to add to the design. There's also a built-in fire pit for you and your family to appreciate year-round. There's an additional bedroom on the main level, which is complete with its own entrance and ensuite bathroom, which could be a perfect setup for a home office or a guest bedroom. Upstairs is home to a spacious primary bedroom with a walk-in closet, plus there are 2 sizable bedrooms. All the bathrooms share the same high-quality finishings with stone counters and custom cabinetry. This lovely home has been meticulously cared for and is ready for you to call it home. 6238 Portland Street is located just a short drive to Market Crossing for all your shopping needs. And it's only minutes to Burn Creek Park and Riverway Golf Course.